Facebook, TikToks, YouTube fam, Twitch fam, Instagram fam. You are so amazing, and thanks so much for tuning in. Just in case I'm not seeing any of the comments, just please don't kill me. I was so into it, and I'm just so obsessed with this, and I want to share with you. So just in case you are doing as similar of what I'm doing, so we can do it together. You can definitely watch replays if you are not able to watch full tutorial, live tutorial. You can definitely watch the replays. I am going to save it for you, so when you are having a spare moment, you can definitely watch them. All right, so moving on, the next one, you can do like a matching, or you can just like moving on to the different one. So which one should we do now? The green one? I can do the green one. To matching.
Do flower.
Oh, you want flowers? Okay, I can do flower. Like, thanks for reminding me. Let me go flower right there. I'm doing right in the center. Let's see. Should we do the pink right there? Oop. I just get a random 3 different flowers. You can get 3 color in the same. I just messed up it. 3 flowers. I mean 3 different kind of flowers. See what we have. Oh my god, it's so cute. 3 different type. I'm using this super adorable beads and frame. I'm gonna take advantage from that whole entire this cutie set. It's had pretty much everything I wanted. Let's see what's up in here. It has super adorable with this. Can you still see though? Let me see what I have in over here. I have a yellow. Yellow. Oh no. This one jump in there. This one jump in the gun. So when it happened like that, if you during the time you're doing the crystal design, just gently using the tweezer and pick up unwanted crystal or laying in there, so then that way you won't have to worry about it's stuck in there. Okay, and I'm gonna do a couple right there. Oh, that's a cute one. I love this. I'm so obsessed with this like baby mixture. It's had everything I would ask for. And then the flower is so adorable. It's so perfect size and it flat back. So it means it's even easier for you to apply the crystal designs and your beautiful flower. And then I'm gonna probably get, I'm gonna put like 3 crystal on each side of the flowers, or maybe 2 sides of it. So just like have cute lock it in, you know. If you want some beads on, add some beads on. You can start from the middle of the nails, and you can start from the cuticles area. You can start from diagonals, like the way I'm doing it. Do however you like, however your clients like, however make your clients and make you happy. All right, I think I'm good. So that's it, because if I start doing more, I'm going to take away from the beauty of this. All right, that's it. hold on, I'm gonna swipe it on the both sides to remove again any of the excess condensed glue gels and the wet top coat before we are going to set it here for 30 seconds. Here you go.